To turn on or off the iCloud app synchronization on iPhone 16e, we need to go to Settings. Then in the settings, we want to go to our Apple account and then go to iCloud. Now over here, you want to choose Saved to iCloud in order to decide which apps should be storing their data to iCloud. In most of these cases, you can simply tap on the switcher on the right side. So for example, if you don't want contacts to be synchronized with your iCloud account, then of course you can turn it off over here. And then you can also decide to keep the data on your iPhone or delete from your iPhone as well. So in my case, I'm going to keep on my iPhone. And of course, if you want to synchronize, then just tap the switcher again and choose to merge. And as you can see, if you scroll down, we have lots of different apps, including apps that you have downloaded from the App Store, at least some of them. And if there is no switcher, for example, if there is the iCloud photos, then you can still synchronize with the iPhone, or you can make the synchronization work between iCloud and your iPhone. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!